Hey there you all. Well, this morning I got a delivery from Temu. So we'll just have an unboxing here and a short review. So please stay tuned just to see all that I got. All these wonderful goodies. So we'll open this up and we'll just see what we've got here. Oh, it's exciting, isn't it? I love a good Happy Mail video. Hope we're in frame here, but I'm just going to pull out what we've got here, and we will review some of the smaller items here. And of course I will put up the cost of everything as well. So first up I've got two lots of glasses here. I just thought you know, I wanted some magnified and some not magnified, so I've got the two lots and they're both some anti-blue lights, so it should be interesting to see how they work. So these are +10 magnification, so that should be quite useful, and they are anti-blue lights, so it should be useful for if I'm out and about and just want to use computer without any magnification. I have another set of glasses. With a light pink transparent frame. They certainly look nice, so hopefully they work quite well. Wild eyebrow pen. Always need those. Sweatproof and waterproof and full colour natural, so hopefully it works quite well and hopefully it sticks. Yeah, taking the lid off. Yeah, it should work quite well. Moving along, we have some anti-wrinkle face cream. Not a huge price for that either, so hopefully it works, and I've definitely got wrinkles I could do without. Well, it looks quite a nice creamy consistency, so hopefully it works, and we'll be trying it out and just seeing how we go with that. My old billfold or old wallet is no good, so I got myself another one here. Fake leather, it certainly looks quite pretty. And it'll be interesting to see how durable it is and how well it lasts. Watching out for the odd loose thread here. That can happen with Temu, and hopefully it stands up quite well. And I have here a hairband. With the way the wind is and the way my hair plops around, this could be quite useful or should be quite useful. So we'll just flip around and we'll have a look at these other items that are a little bit bigger. So moving along, we have here another pair of leggings. I always need these, so they're always useful. They're certainly soft. Doesn't seem to be that thick a material, but looks like they should be quite durable. They're quite stretchy. I could have actually gone with a smaller size, I believe. But they're certainly bright, so should be interesting, and I should actually put them on and give them a test out, shouldn't I? Don't know if you can see them here in screen, but they certainly look nice and bright. And yeah, I could have gone a size smaller actually, but anyways, moving right along to the last item. I have here, it's an American flag, which I've been wanting one for a while just to hang up in here. It does feel fairly light and plasticky, but it'll be fine for indoor use. And yeah, I'd say it's probably as size 5 feet, so that's wonderful, and I can use it as a backdrop for my videos, and it'll be absolutely wonderful for that. It could have been a thicker material, but it'll be fine for indoor use. I certainly wouldn't buy this one for outdoor use. I don't think it would last very long. But it'll be just good to cover these boxes and things that I don't really like anyways. I'll try these glasses on, see how they work. Oh, that's going off. Oh yes, not a bad magnification, only one by, that's probably all I need, but at least I can sort of see on the screen of my computer with these. And I'll try these others and see what they're like. It does seem like they do block out the blue light a little bit, so that's a bonus. Should definitely try this one on, shouldn't I? Oh yes, brilliant. It should stop my hair from flopping around when I'm out walking. It'll be just the thing. Anyway, we're about to call it a day here now. So if you've watched this little video through to the very end, I thank you and I appreciate you so much. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel. And please do smash that little bell and choose all alerts. If you are subscribed to my channel, please consider becoming a member. I can certainly do with more members on my channel, and of course my members are much appreciated. Also, please do check out my merchandise store. This hoodie, this sweater that I'm wearing is an example of what's on my merchandise store, and I will have this product tagged. So if you go to my merchandise store, you can see that. And of course, links to my merchandise store will be down below in the description, as well as on the shopping tab here on my channel. Anyways, we're going to call it now for the day. So a big thank you to you all. Take care, God bless, and until next time, bye bye!